In this video, we'll be telling about how to create new poll in WhatsApp. For this, first what we need to do is open WhatsApp. After opening WhatsApp, select the group or contact to which you want to send poll. Normally, there is no point in sending poll to one person. So usually we'll be selecting group. Anyway, select the group to which you want to send poll. Now for example, I am selecting contact. You can select your group. After selecting group, down here you can see a pin like button. Click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you can see one option poll. Click on this poll option. When you are clicking on poll, you can see a new page like this, create poll. Here you need to type your question. For example, I have typed one question. After that, here you can see options. In options, you can see add. Click on that field. In that field, enter your first option. Again, you can see one more add option. Click on that add button and type your second choice. When you are typing your second choice only, a new add field will appear here. So there you can type your third choice. When you are typing your third choice, automatically new field will come. Anyways, you can enter how much options you want. Down here you can see one more option, allow multiple answers. If you want to turn on, you can turn on, or if you want to turn off, you can turn off. In this question, multiple answers is not suited, so I am turning this off. After that, down here you can see send button. Click on this send button. When you are clicking on that send button, that poll will be sent. Now that person can select whichever options they want. Since multiple option is not enabled, they can select only one option. So this way you can create new poll in WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.